Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up and use Google Pay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to set up and use Google Pay, first what you need to do is head over and download the app from your App Store or your Play Store. Once the app has been downloaded, simply tap on the app to open it, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is sign in with your Google account. Then once signed in, simply accept the terms and conditions, and lastly what you need to do is add a payment method. Simply tap on add card or payment method option, then simply enter your bank or credit card details manually or use your camera to scan. Then your bank may verify your card with one-time code via SMS or email, and lastly Google Pay requires a screen lock from PIN, pattern, password or biometrics for security. Once done, you can use Google Pay for paying in stores, then sending money to friends, or pay online, or pay in apps or websites. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.